In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom text in Canva. Canva is a fantastic tool for designing almost anything, whether it's social media graphics, presentations, posters, and more. One of the most powerful features Canva offers is the ability to create and customize text to fit your unique design needs. So, let's dive in and explore how you can make your text stand out. First things first, you'll want to start by opening up Canva and logging into your account. Once you're in, you can either create a new design by clicking on the Create a Design button, or open an existing project that you want to work on. For today's demonstration, we'll assume you're working on a new design. Once your design canvas is ready, look over to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find a sidebar with various options. To start adding text, click on the Text option. This will bring up a panel with different text options you can choose from. You'll see options like Add a heading, Add a subheading, and Add a little bit of body text. These preset text boxes are really handy if you need to quickly add text elements with different sizes. But what if you want something more customized? This is where Canva's flexibility really shines. You can scroll through the text panel to find a variety of text styles, some of which are designed to match specific themes or aesthetics. Take your time to browse through these styles and select one that aligns with the look you're going for. Remember, the right font can significantly impact the mood and readability of your design, so choose wisely. Once you've picked a style, click on it and it will automatically be added to your canvas. You'll notice that a new text box appears, which you can click to start typing your custom text. If you need to adjust the size of your text box or position it differently, simply click and drag the corners or edges of the box. Canva allows you to easily move and resize elements, giving you full control over your design. After placing your text, you can further customize it by changing the font, color, and spacing. These options are available in the toolbar above your canvas. Feel free to experiment with different combinations until you achieve the perfect look for your project. And that's it. You've successfully created custom text in Canva. Whether you're designing for personal use or for a professional project, mastering text customization in Canva can truly elevate your designs. So, go ahead, explore the possibilities, and unleash your creativity.